Hi, I'm Debbie Sementelli. Welcome to my studio. I've been playing with brushes and nibs and paints for about 30 years now, and I've loved every minute of it. So I'm excited to share my love of the brush with you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced letterer, I have plenty of tips and tricks to share. So let's start with the basics. This is what we'll be covering in this course: basic strokes, and then we'll move on to the basic script alphabet. Now, in addition, I'm also going to show you how to add some flourishes to give the letters a little flair and kind of fancy it up a bit. Finally, we'll have our class project. This is example 1. It's a sweet little cheerful welcome sign. You can put it in your house, in your guest room. Option 2, or give it as a gift. And there will be a downloadable template with each of these designs, or you can create your own. So that's what we've got in store. I'm really excited. I hope you are too. So I'm here whenever you're ready. Let's go.